Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 12 circles, exercise 12.1. First question. The question is given, name the following parts from the adjacent figure where O is the center of the circle. Okay na? So this is the given figure nana. O is the center of a circle and we need to find the name for the following. In that first question, AO. Okay na? From the figure you see nana, what is AO? O is a center of a circle and A is a point on the circumference of a circle. So from center to any point on the circle is a radius. It is a fixed distance from center to any point of the circle. The constant distance, that is what nana? Radius. So we can write AO is what? That is radius. Then second one, AB. AB. See, by seeing the figure, what is AB nana? By joining, A is a point on the circumference, point on the circle, and a point on the circumference, and B also a point on the circumference of a circle. By joining the 2 points on the circumference of a circle, okay na? By joining the 2 points on the circle, so that is called what? Chord. But it passes through the center. Okay na? It passes through the center. So AB is a chord. It passes through the center. That's why AB is diameter. Okay na? Next, BXC. Third one, BXC. You see here BXC. It is a part of circumference. BXC. See this one clearly. Okay, this part. Total, this is circumference of a circle, and BXC, this is just part. So an arc is a part of the circumference of a circle. Next, AC. AC. What is AC nana? AC. Okay na? A is a point on the circle and C also point on the circle. By joining the 2 points on the circle, that is called what? A chord. Okay na? AC is a chord of a circle. Next, DCB. DCB. You try to observe here DCB. So first of all, DB is a chord nana here. DB is a chord, and this is the major arc. This is what nana? Major arc. This is major arc. DB is a chord and it is major arc. You can call DCB is what? Major arc. Now ACB. Question number 6. ACB. ACB. You try to observe clearly. AB is a chord. AB is a chord and it's a diameter because of it passes through the center. And the endpoints of the chord, endpoints of the arc is AB. So exactly manaki idi semicircle leda semicircular arc. Okay na? Diameter endpoints unnai kada. Endpoints of a arc is endpoints of a diameter. That is called the semicircle. Ante manaki you can call it as semicircle or semicircular arc. Okay na? Now AD. Next question, AD. A is a point on the circle, D also a point on the circle. By joining the 2 points, that is what are called. Next, shaded region. Shaded region. Next question is shaded region. You observe in the figure, what is the shaded region here? The shaded region is the area enclosed by the minor arc and a chord. Okay, na? The area enclosed by a chord and minor arc, that is called what, Nana? That is minor segment. Minor segment. Okay, na? So this is the explanation for first question. Now see the second one. Second question, true or false? So in that first question is given, a circle divides the plane on which a circle divides a plane on which it lies into 3 parts. Lies into 3 parts. Okay, na? So whether the given statement is right or wrong. What is the statement? A circle divides a plane on which it lies into 3 parts. You see the figure here. It is a circle with the center O. I am writing here X, Y, K, M, L, O, Z, A, B. So observe the figure carefully. A circle divides a plane on which it lies into 3 parts. So first of all, it is a plane. This is what, Nana? Plane. It is a circle with center O. What is the interior part? Ikkada interior part vachesi interior inside region X, K, Y. And what is exterior outside region? Z, A, B. And on the boundary L, M, O. Okay, na? So that's why the given statement is what, na? 3 parts. Inside, on the boundary, and exterior outside. So that's why 3 parts. The given statement is true. The next one, the area enclosed by a chord. The area enclosed by a chord and the minor arc is minor segment. Okay, see the statement. The area enclosed by a chord and the minor arc is minor segment. Now see the figure carefully. A circle with center O. Okay, a circle with center O. The area enclosed by a chord. It is a chord. Joining 2 points on the circle, and this is what, Nano? Arc, minor arc. You see the shaded part. Okay. So now this is what, Nana? Minor segment. This is minor segment. Minor segment. The area enclosed by a minor arc and a chord, that is minor segment. Now see this one. Okay, now see this one. This part. Now AYB is a major. Okay, na? AYB is a major arc. The area enclosed by a chord AB and the major arc is called what, Nana? That is major segment. Okay, na? So that's why second statement and third statement. Second is true and third also. Third one. Same, but okay, na? Third statement. The area enclosed by a chord and the major arc is major segment. This is the major segment and this is the minor segment. Now question number 4. The diameter divides the circle into two unequal parts. What are they given? The diameter divides the circle into two unequal parts. This is the given statement. Take a circle. This is a circle with center O. A chord which passes through the circle, center of the circle is a diameter. Now see the figure, Nana. The diameter, it passes through the center of the circle, then it divides the circle into two semicircles. But what they given? The diameter divides the circle into two unequal parts. So the given statement is a false statement, because of the diameter divides the circle into two equal parts is the right answer. Okay, na? So like this we can discuss the remaining questions. Okay, na? So this is about circuits.